so fast, all tied up like a captive.
I like how we have a tradition now where we get P.F. Chang's and we watch Food Network. Yeah, probably. Did you kill it? What the heck?
What to get, what to get.
So I am done with the Lidocaine Infusion. Definitely feeling drugged. I ended up sleeping through or attempting to sleep through the last half of my treatment. But every time I fell asleep, I would set the alarms off because when I sleep, my pulse rate is right around 35 to 38. So every time I start to fall asleep, my heart rate would get down to 48, 47, and the alarms would go off and the nurse would come running in. So I was a problem child. Something that was different from last time was that I actually started to have chest pain. Like I felt like my heart was getting squeezed, and I think I had that last time, but it wasn't nearly as intense or nearly as frequent, and then at some point the squeezing discomfort turned into pain, so we actually stopped the treatment for about 10 minutes and then started again on a slower rate, and that seemed to fix the problem. But we definitely think that the reason why I reacted stronger this time and the reason why I had the chest pain is because the nerves are just pissed.
My body's just sensitive at this point, like it used to be. You know, I could do any surgery and the anesthesia was fine and the medications were fine, and now it's like, no!
I think honestly your body has a little PTSD.
My body has PTSD.
Because every time you get anything done now, your body goes,
It's like, oh, I don't wanna! Don't touch me! like, okay, we're gonna have chest pain, and then we're gonna stab you in your heart, right?
Mm-hmm.
Seems fair, normal, you know.
Because going this way is faster as long as nothing happens.
I cannot believe you even said that. You jinxed us again. Yes, you did. Jeez.
Yeah, it just seems like your body, every time you put something in there, it's like, what? What is it? What did you give me? I don't like this.
What's this?
Oh,
What's this?
wait. Okay, this isn't so bad.
There's magic in the air. What's this? What's this?
But the initial
There's
reaction is
drugs
always...
everywhere.
Yes. The initial reaction always seems to be, what the hell is this? Oh, okay.
My poor body. Yeah. I don't think my body likes me very much. It's like, how could you?
Yes. Well, and I think that CT myelogram traumatized your brain and your body.
Oh yeah. Like I've never, like before the CT myelogram, I could go into a procedure or like an appointment or whatever, and I had full faith that everything was gonna be fine and nothing was gonna go wrong, and that I'd be fine. You know, it would be uncomfortable, but you get over it. And now it's like everything seems to go sideways and everything burns, and it's like, don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me strong.
Yeah, no kidding. We're gonna drown. I should have done it when we were really coming down. I'll have to do it if it does it again, but that's just way too much water for my liking. And my windshield wipers are toast. Toast! I think the fact that we've used them the entire trip means they're toast. Can you even see the road?
As fast as they can go. I can see the road, but I'm going as fast as I'm
The
going.
windshield wipers are bending at a 90-degree angle because they're going so fast, and I still can't see the road. We dead, bruh. We dead.